I love doing fun folds because it helps make a card look special just because it's not one of those regular folds. It's that easy. And fun folds don't need to be complicated. Sometimes it's just one extra fold that makes a huge difference. Hi, I'm Julia with Julia Sue's Stamping. I'm so glad that you're here to hang out with me for a little bit today. Thank you. So if this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. We're going to have some fun with fun folds, and this card is super quick and easy. I love how it turns out, and it's super versatile with anything you have in your stash. I've got one we're going to make together, and then I have several variations, of course, to share with you so that you can see how easy it is to do with any stamps, ink, and paper that you already have. Since this is a premiere, please hop over into the live chat. If you're watching it live, say hi. And if you are watching the replay, please leave a comment. I absolutely love hearing from you, and I promise I will respond just as soon as YouTube lets me know that you left a comment. All right, I think we should go ahead and get started with this one fold. What do you say? Let's go. Here we are onto the work surface. I'm telling you, this fold looks fancy, but I promise it's so easy. Starting off with this card, an early espresso layer. It is your normal card size. It's 5.5 by 8.5, and then scored at 4 1/4. And then I also scored it at 1.5. So don't worry about these measurements. If you don't want to, you can just pay attention and have some fun. I do have a free downloadable PDF on my blog just for you. So please be sure you check it out. The link is down in the description. So I've got that. I created it just for you to help you create this card on your own. Go ahead and fold and scoring, all that good stuff on those lines. And then this top one here, the 1.5 inch, we're going to fold it onto the front of the card, and that is the fun fold. So it's very simple, just one extra fold makes a fun fold for this one. Starting off with a pool party layer, we're going to go ahead and place that inside the card base, and then we're going to top that with some basic white. These are the usual sizes that I do, and like I said, I do have the dimensions listed, all the measurements, everything on that free downloadable PDF, and the link is in the description. The next thing I'm going to do is take a piece of Pool Party Country Woods Designer Series paper. I'm going to place that on the front outside flap just because I liked the color. I thought it looked really nice, and I had some Country Woods Designer Series paper in my stash. I wanted to use it up. Now I've got a striped pattern of the Country Woods Designer Series paper that I'm going to use on the inside of the card here. Oops. There. Now I have a coordinating gray wood panel looking piece that's going to be right here on the front flap of this fun fold. For the sentiment, I'm going to be using the Right Words stamp set, and I decided to have the For Someone Worth Celebrating Every Single Day because I'm making a birthday card. I've got some scraps here of Pool Party Early Espresso and Basic White, Early Espresso ink that I just re-inked, so hopefully that ink is going to work well. Yay, it does. Okay. I was having some problems with it. Now I'm going to take the 1 7/8 inch punch punch that out, centering it. I'm going to punch from the 2-inch another circle, then layering this on top so that it has just a nice little layer of the pool party around. I have a brand new, to me, punch that is the 2 3/8 inch. So let's just step aside here for a second. When you get a brand new punch, what should you do? All right, the first thing you should do is make sure it's working. So I take it and I make sure it punches up and down, because I have had, and it's very rare, but I have had some that when I do this, it catches and it doesn't work very well. So I always make sure that it's working okay. And that way I can let Stampin' Up! Know. They have a really great return policy if you have problems with any of their products when you get them. So all you need is your order number. Let them know that you've got a problem with the punch and they will replace it for you. It's wonderful. They pretty much don't ask any questions except they like to know the order number and what it is. So there you go. Then the next thing you do is you need to take a piece of scrap paper. This is some cardstock that I got from Office Max, and that's not a plug for Office Max, it's where I got some. Very inexpensive and not a good weight. So I don't use it on my cards, my regular cards. Then you punch like crazy to get any residual oils from the manufacturing process off of the punch. So often I will do an entire piece of cardstock, and you can really see the oils when you are doing that. I can see them around the punched areas, and I'm very glad that I got rid of them. So now I'm going to go ahead and punch an early espresso circle out. I'm going to layer my fun sentiment right onto that. All right, yay. I'm going to put just a few dimensionals on the back around, little less in the middle of it, like toward the side, so that I can have it a little offset. And there. The last thing I'm going to do on this card is getting the early espresso linen thread out, and I'm going to do a little double bow. So get that thread going here. Quick little double bow. And there we are. Both sides do not want to go in at the same time. I want a real little one, little baby bow. And I've talked about this before if you've seen any of my other videos. If you haven't, that's okay. This is a new thing then. I like to have one loop be a little bit smaller than the other loop to really help show off that it is a double bow. Then snipping with some scissors. A glue dot is all I need to adhere this cute little linen bow to my sentiment piece and card front. All right, and there it is. How quick and easy is this fun fold? It's so cute. It's simple, it's warm, and just enough detail. Here we have the same fold and a totally different feel. This version has the Daffodil Delight card base. Right here, I already start off with some bright color, two-tone cardstock in the Strawberry Slush for instant contrast. I added some stamped flowers from the Pop-Up Petals stamp set. I colored them in with some Stampin' Blends, layered textures using some Designer Series paper, and here I've got embossing. I did the two-tone daffodil cardstock and the beautiful pattern embossing folder. The sentiment banner is layered using the Nested Essentials dies, and it's attached directly to the fun fold flap. I finished it off with some strawberry slush gems. This next variation is just all about playful details. Here I did a basic white card base, and I used a Blackberry Bliss accent with lovely Blossoms Designer Series paper. The fun fold flap features some cascading squares. Some are straight, some are angled for movement and personality. The sentiment overlaps the flap and the inside panel just a bit, and a few white glossy dots finish it all off. It is so fun. And if you love layouts that are really easy to recreate but look extra special, then this fold is a keeper. Remember that I do have that free PDF in the description, and check it out on my blog so you can recreate this fun fold for yourself. I already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I would love to be your crafty cheerleader. I'll help you with your supplies, ideas, and encouragement whenever you need it. One fun fold card and endless possibilities. I love how easily this card comes together with all sorts of different designer series papers, pattern papers, stamp sets, and ink. It's so much fun. And you know, embossing instead of the DSP, super cool. Oh, thank you again for hanging out with me for a little bit today. Give the video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. I truly appreciate your support. Follow me on social media. All of these things are absolutely free and make a gigantic difference to my teeny tiny business. So thank you. It means the world to me. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day today, and that you have a chance to get inky. Bye.